Today we are learning how we do the sorting of nuts, groundnuts, ebinyebwa, whatever you call them. Yes. Hi friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Brenda, the passionate foodie. Please subscribe, share, like, engage, and help me grow. Thank you. There was a video I did previously. Please, if you missed it, kindly check down below. It is among the 2 3 videos down, titled "The Pure Village Life." You will see how we do the planting of groundnuts in my culture, home in my country. So yeah. So these are already groundnuts, like after harvest, they're still in the hard shells, and I'm showing you how we sort them, like right from the hard shells, get them clean and get them on fire. Lost them. Oh, I enjoy roasted groundnuts. Pray, do you? Let me know. Enjoy the video. See you in my next. Bye. You're tasting almost. Okay, almost. Mm. Mm. Look at these. Mm. Mm. These are our ready nuts, ground nuts, and ebinyebwa. Please feel free to tell us how you call nuts, ground nuts in your native language. Please educate us. We would love to learn. Thank you.